What is going on, everyone? I'm John from 16Ds, and today I'm going to show you how to do a black minimalist home screen setup on your iPhone. I believe this is my fourth video about home screen setups. I've done like a retro one, I've done some other like minimalistic ones, and so I thought I would do kind of like a all black and white kind of one. MKBHD did a video about like the new iOS 14 with like widgets and everything a few months back. In that he had kind of a black and red setup, and so this is kind of going off that setup. I know everyone kind of dug it, but like the icon pack he used was like $20, so this is all going to be free, just using an icon pack and then some widgets. So let's get right into it, but let's roll that intro. So this is what my home screen setup looks like. So the very first thing you gotta do is, of course, the icon pack. So the icon pack I used is actually from one of the widget apps I use, and that is the color widgets. And so you just go into color widgets, click on icons, and then for me it's the very first one called Minimal Dark. So what you're gonna do is just click on that and then do save pack. And then the next step is creating the shortcuts for all the apps. I'm assuming most of you know how to do this, but let me just show you if you don't know really quick. So what you want to do is go into shortcuts, click add a shortcut, and then do add action. Go to open app, search up open app, and then choose whatever app you want it to open. I'm going to do Safari on this one. Then you click the little three dots, add to home screen. For me, I don't like to put a name for the app because I think it makes it a little more minimal, but if you want to make it Safari or browser or web, whatever you want, you can put it there. Then you click on this little icon right here, click choose photo, and it'll take you to your photos, and then you're just gonna go in and find the Safari icon, which is this little compass thing. Then you're gonna click add, done, next, and then you're just going to select a name and save it. So I'm gonna just do this test Safari, done, and now it'll be added to your home screen, as you can see right here. You just gotta do that to all the apps that you wanna have on your home screen. This is a little tedious, but that's kind of the whole point of home screen setups. It does take a little bit of time because this isn't Android and you can't just automatically change all your icons. You have to do it individually, one by one. If Apple would add this in iOS 15, I think that would be so amazing, but it's Apple, so I don't really know if that's gonna happen. One feature Apple did add that shows that they're actually, listening to the people was in iOS 14.3, I think. Previously, when you opened a shortcut, it would open the Shortcuts app and then go to the shortcut it was opening. So like if you clicked on settings, it would go to shortcuts and then settings. But now if you click on an app, it will go straight to the app instead of going to shortcuts and then to the app. I am thankful that Apple was listening to us on that aspect. So now that you've gotten all your apps done, now it's time for the widgets. So the first widget I used in color widgets was under minimal, and I had to just go to the side a little bit, and then it was right here. It just has the time, the battery percentage, all black, white, and gray. And so I added that, and then I added it to my home screen, by holding on the screen, clicking the little plus button, and then going down and finding color widgets and adding that specific widget. The next one I added is on the second screen, and this is just the Nike Run Club. I use the Nike Run Club app to track all my runs. I really should go on a run. I haven't been on a run in February. It just takes me to the Nike Run Club app if I ever want to do a quick start for a run or anything like that. So I'm on the green level right now because I've run, I want to say 400 miles since I've had the app. I'm in the green level right now, so it has little green, but it'll be orange or yellow or purple or blue. You of course don't need this, but this makes sense for me and it matches the color scheme that I'm going for, and I like the little pop of color. Another widget that I have on my home screen is from color widgets. Again, I really like color widgets, but it's the sunset time, and then once sun sets, it'll give me the sunrise time, and this is just in color widgets. It's sunset and sunrise. I just edited it, I changed the background to black, and I changed the theme to white, and then I just set the widget and added it to my home screen, Super simple. And the very last one I have is from Widgetsmith, and this one again, kept as a 2x2, and I just had to have the moon phases, because, I don't know, I'm a photographer, I like to take pictures of, the stars and the moon, except you can't really take pictures of the stars here in DC, because light pollution and everything. But I still like to know what the phase of the moon is, and this matches the theme I'm going for with like a black and a gray and a little bit of white. This is the wallpaper that I used, and this one I just searched up on Google. I'll link it in the description below. It's just gray with a cute little ghost in the middle. It would mean a lot to me if you subscribe, but if you don't, that's totally fine, but you really should. But if you don't, all good. I would appreciate if you gave this video a like and or checked out some of the other home screen setup videos that I've done in the past. That's it for me today. I'm John from 16 Views. See ya.